In the drugstore. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Health Plus Drugstore.
Thank you. I need some medicine.
Sure. What are you looking for?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
I see. Do you want painkillers or something for throat relief?
Both, please.
All right. Any allergies to medication?
No.
Any chronic conditions?
No.
How severe is your headache?
Moderate but persistent.
And your sore throat?
Slight pain when swallowing.
Okay. For headache, I recommend this paracetamol.
How many should I take per day?
1 tablet every 6 hours.
Noted.
For sore throat, these lozenges are effective.
How often should I use them?
1 every 2-3 hours.
All right.
Do you want a nasal spray as well?
Yes, please. I have some congestion.
This one works well for adults.
How many times a day?
2 sprays in each nostril up to 3 times a day.
Okay.
Any stomach issues?
No.
Good. Do you need vitamins?
Yes, vitamin C would be helpful.
Here's a pack of 500 mg tablets. 1 daily.
Perfect.
Do you prefer liquid medicine or tablets?
Tablets are fine.
All right. Any cough?
Slight dry cough.
Here's a syrup for dry cough.
How often should I take it?
1 teaspoon every 6 hours.
Got it.
Are you pregnant or breastfeeding?
No.
Good. Any past reactions to medicines?
None.
Okay. Do you take any prescription drugs currently?
No.
Any heart or blood pressure issues?
No.
All right. Do you need ointment for pain?
Yes, I have some muscle aches.
This topical cream works well. Apply 2-3 times daily.
Perfect.
Do you need anything for allergies?
Yes, mild seasonal allergies.
This antihistamine is effective. 1 tablet daily.
All right.
Do you have any other symptoms?
Slight fatigue.
Drink plenty of water and rest.
Will do?
Any stomach upset?
No.
Good. Do you have a thermometer?
Not yet.
We have digital thermometers.
I'll take one.
Anything for cold symptoms?
Yes, mild cold.
Here's a decongestant capsule. 1 every 12 hours.
Noted.
Do you need gloves or masks?
Yes, a box of surgical masks.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Any hand sanitizer?
Yes, a small bottle for my bag.
Perfect.
How long is the syrup shelf life?
About 2 years.
Good.
Do you prefer branded or generic medicine?
Generic is fine.
All right.
Can you advise on dosage for a child?
For children under 12, lower dosage is needed.
Noted.
Do you need a first aid kit?
Yes, a small portable one.
Here's a complete kit.
Perfect.
Any bandages or antiseptic?
Yes, please.
Here are some bandages and antiseptic solution.
Thank you.
Do you need eye drops?
Yes, for dryness.
These artificial tears work well.
How many times a day?
2-3 times.
Okay.
Do you need a thermometer for ear or mouth?
Digital for mouth.
All right.
Any vitamins for energy?
Vitamin B complex is good. 1 daily.
Perfect.
Do you need multivitamins?
No, just vitamin C and B.
Okay.
Can I take them together?
Yes, with food.
Any side effects?
Minimal, usually mild stomach upset.
Understood.
Do you need a pill organizer?
Yes, weekly organizer.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Do you need sugar-free products?
Yes, for candies and lozenges.
Here's sugar-free throat lozenges.
Perfect.
Do you need anything for sleep?
No, I sleep well.
All right.
Any supplements for immunity?
Vitamin D and zinc are helpful.
Great.
Do you prefer capsules or tablets?
Tablets.
Okay.
Any cream for skin dryness?
Yes, hypoallergenic moisturizing cream.
Perfect.
Do you need sunscreen?
Yes, SPF 30 or above.
Here's a good option.
Thank you.
Anything else today?
No, that's all.
Great. Your total is $78.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, here's the card reader.
Done.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a healthy day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.